Layne's not here right now, but today I'm gonna be doing a showcase today. So I'm gonna be doing a showcase of fireworks. What we're gonna do for the next video. I'm grabbing the fireworks right now so you can't see them. So you might hear some stuff in the background, but anyways, so this is what we're doing right here. What did I miss? First, we're gonna do these little snappers right here. As you can see, you just like open up. Sorry, that's Layne. Incoming Layne. Hey guys, Layne's here. Say hi, Layne.
Hi, and guys, this is Jackie here.
Hey, what's up?
Tell them about the fireworks and tell your own views about the fireworks.
Well, okay, first, what we're gonna do is, first we're doing the snappers. It's not the adult ones, it's the small ones.
These are the big ones, but only the light, the strings, the projection, then the drums, because I push the top, and it makes a really loud noise. It's like a tiny TNT.
It's not actually that loud. It's kind of like a gunshot from about 10 miles away, really.
But still, it's like loud noise, almost, it's a clock TNT.
So guys, if you have some pets, hey Layne, you should. I think if the viewers have pets, they should move to another room without the pet. They should move. The people who are watching this video right now, I think they should move away from their pets if they have pets, because it's gonna hurt their ears.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys.
Unless they don't have any ears.
Yeah, if you have pets, they are not deaf. I say that, but do not get around them because this video could be loud.
Yes.
And it's best not to hurt earbuds and like really in your ears. Everyone will be fine, but if you don't want
Hey Layne, I'm showing them my dog real quick. Scooter! His name's Scooter. What the? Hey Layne. Layne. I think you should show them your pet too, just to make it fair. There's Scooter. Wait, you can't see him. There he is. Scooter, say hi. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, Scooter. Come on, Scooter. We're not doing the fireworks right now. Well, I'm just doing like a little showcase. Hey, Scooter! Say hi, Scooter! He's Scooter. This is Scooter. He's 8 years old. 8 or 9. I don't know. Hey guys, wait, Layne.
What?
Can I showcase the next firework?
What?
I'm going to showcase the next firework.
Okay, go, okay. Is it the cones or what?
Yeah, it's the cones.
Okay, so you have these little cones, and there's like these little strings that hang at the top. And once you lock
It's the fuse, basically. On my screen, it's very small. I have a big one, like way over there. Hey Layne, let's talk about the other fireworks that I'm not gonna do in the next video, but let's just talk about the ones that I have. That I'm gonna video, okay? This is what she was talking about, the big cone right there.
Yeah.
As you can see, it looks pretty sweet.
Remember to check out his video, but also check out mine.
Yeah, the one I'm doing, you check out Layne's.
Yeah, and if you don't hear us speaking clearly, then try if you have two devices to watch one video than the other, or to
And guys, don't forget, if you can hear Layne in the comments, let me know. Because if you can't, next time we do it, I'll try to make it a little louder.
Yeah, and I'm sort of like about probably a foot and a half away from the phone. You guys can't see it, but it's right here.
Yeah, I'm using my home phone right now.
Huh?
I'm using my home phone right now to video this thing.
Don't check it.
And guess what? This is one of my favorite ones.
What is it? Which one is it?
The Saturn missiles.
Oh, the missiles, yeah. They're like tiny missiles, but they can do a lot.
Yeah, I'm fixing to show you. 3. I'm gonna do it in light. 3, 2, 1. Here they are. How cool they are! Look at the missiles right here. Look at that. Look at. I love this one. It's my favorite one of all of them. Yeah. You got 4 minutes left? Okay, guys, I'm going to show this real fast, the fireworks real quick. Layne, you can go ahead and end your video if you want to.
No, I'm not even listening, so what's next?
The Roman candles.
What's that?
Layne, let me tell you about them, because I'm pretty sure you don't know a lot about them. Okay, there's it's a stick that has balls in them, and you light the tip of it, and shoots them, and lights on fire, and kaboom! That's the end of that one. Okay, I'll try to hurry this up. I'm just letting you see the fireworks in person. At the end of the light, that's the snipers. As you can see, I have a tank. It fires from the back right here, and that's a parachute man. You'll see that in the next video. I'm trying to hurry this video up because Layne's video is almost done. Here's the rest of the things right here. Alright guys, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See ya.